My name is Eliza Maddox and I'm a senior in the Math and Science department. My research project is examining the effects of ATP and NAD+ on a plant called Arabidopsis thaliana. We're trying to see what the immune response is in those plants in reaction to those chemicals. I am working at the University of Alabama at Birmingham in Dr. Carolina Mukhtar's lab, and they focus on plant immunity. My research was kind of inspired from taking biology classes here. So during one of my courses, we focused a bit on plant biology, and I learned that there's not a lot known about plants and their immune responses, while there's a lot known about how it affects people. So when I was looking for a lab, I looked for something that was more novel, something a little more unknown, and that's what I came to, a plant lab that focused on plant immunity. Since this is a novel subject, the biggest challenge was figuring out whether or not the results that I was receiving, they were actually legitimate results that were showing what was truly happening with the plants, or if it was just a mistake that I might have made during testing or not. I feel much better prepared for the future. A lot of schools, they let you join research labs while you're in undergrad as well, so having experience in labs beforehand can help me out a lot to get into other labs in the future. So my mother came to ASFA when she was a high schooler. She didn't graduate from here, and she was actually in the theater department. And since I was really young, I always wanted to go to ASFA at least. But I was more interested in science than I was in theater. So I decided to apply for the Math and Science department, mostly because of what my mother taught me and told me about her experience at ASFA, and also because I knew that I was really excited about science. And I'd come to some of the open houses that they'd had here when I was really young, and I was always so excited to see all the new experiments that they would show us.